Hello friends, today I will discuss about distance relay, that is Micom P441, P442 and P444 wiring diagram and difference between P441, P442 and P444. So here the diagram has been shown for Micom P441. Here the CT terminal has been shown, here the PT terminal has been shown, here the input, binary input has been shown. So it has four CT coil. One is red, yellow and blue and one is for mutual compensation coil. So there are both 1 ampere and 5 ampere coil for the distance relay. So here C3, C2 represent red phase for 1 ampere CT input. C6, C5 represent 1 ampere CT coil for yellow phase and C9, C8 represent CT coil for 1 ampere for blue phase. Again, C11, C12 and C11 represent 1 ampere CT input for mutual compensation. So it is given for parallel line mutual compensation. Okay. Again, there exists a 5 ampere CT input for red, yellow, blue and also mutual compensation coil. So 5 ampere for red phase represents C1, C2. For yellow phase, it is represent C4 and C5, and for blue phase, it represents C7 and C8 terminal. And for mutual compensation, it represents C10 and C11 terminal. So these are the CT connection for Micom P441. Again, for PT input for red, yellow and blue are C19, C20, C21 and for neutral C22. So these are the PT input, and again there exists another PT coil which is taken from line CVT, that is C23 and C24. So these are the opto input in Micom P441. There exist 8 number of opto input which is mounted in D card. Okay. So D1, D2 is for opto input 1, D3, D4 is opto input 2. Similarly, up to D15 and D16 there exist 8 number of opto input. Now here the relay output has been shown. So here there exist 14 number of relay output for Micom P441 relay. So relay 1 represent as E1, E2. So there exist NO contact and some changeover contact. That is, we can use as both NO or NC contact. Okay. So there exist 1, 2, 3. That is relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, and again relay 8, relay 9, and relay 10. That is 6 number of NO contact are there. And there exist 8 number of changeover contact, that is relay 4, relay 5, relay 6, relay 7 and relay 11, relay 12, relay 30, relay 14. These are the changeover contact, that is we can both use as a NO contact or either NO contact or either NC contact. For example, relay 4, the common terminal is E9. If I use E9 and E7, that will be the NC contact. If I use E9 and E8, that will be a NO contact. So these two are watchdog contact for relay healthiness checking. F11, F12 is watchdog NC contact, and F13 and F14 is the watchdog NO contact of the relay. Okay. So F1, F2 is the auxiliary DC supply, and there exists output 48 volt DC output, that is F8, F7, F8 both are the positive terminal for 48 DC output, and F9, F10 is the negative output of the 48 voltage DC voltage output. Now come to the wiring diagram for Micom P442 relay. The CT and PT terminal are same for Micom P441 relay, and it has both 1 ampere and 5 ampere CT input like P441. But in case of Micom P442, it has 16 number of binary input terminal. So there exist D terminal. In D block there exist 8 number of binary input, and E block there exist 8 number of binary input. Total 16 number of opto input are there. So here the output terminal has been shown for Micom P442 relay. So in output terminal there exist H block, G block and F block. In each block there exist three number of NO contact. Just like relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, that is, and in G block there exist relay 8, relay 9 and relay 10 as NO contact, and in F block there exist relay 15, relay 16 and relay 17 as a NO contact, and rest are the changeover contact. So in each block there exist four number of changeover contact, that is relay 4, relay 5, relay 6, relay 7 are the changeover contact in each block. Again, relay 11, relay 12, relay 13, relay 40 are the changeover contact in the G block. Again, relay 18, relay 19, relay 20 and relay 21 are the changeover contact in the F block. So there are total 21 number of output contact in Micom P442. In case of Micom P441, there exist only 14 number of relay out terminal. So these are the watchdog contact. J11, J12 are the watchdog NC contact for checking healthiness of the relay, and J13, J14 are the watchdog contact of the relay. So J1, J2 are the auxiliary supply. J2 is the positive terminal, J1 is the negative terminal. Again, there exists field voltage output for 48 volt DC output, which positive terminal are J7, J8 and negative terminal are J9 and J10. So here the wiring diagram for Micom P444 relay has been shown. So like Micom P442 and Micom P441, the CT and PT input are same. Okay, and it has both 5 ampere and 1 ampere CT coil input in the Micom P444 relay. But in case of binary input, there are 24 number of binary input terminal. Okay, so 8 number of binary input are mounted in D block, 8 number of input are mounted in the E block, and 8 are input are in the F block. Okay, so there are three block, that is D, E and F. These are the for 24 number of binary input. But in case of Micom P442, there exist 16 number of binary input terminal. So here the relay output terminal has been shown. In case of Micom P444 relay, there exists 46 number of output contact. Okay, so N11 and N12 are the watchdog NC contact, and N13 and N14 is the watchdog NO contact. So in case of N block, there exist relay 1 to relay 8, 8 number of output contact, of which 6 number of are NO contact and 2 number, that is relay 7 and relay 8 are the changeover contact. Again in the J block, there exist 8 number of output contact, for which relay 25 to 30 are the NO contact and 31 32 are the changeover contact. Again is the H block, there exist 7 number of output contact, from which relay 33 to 35, that is 3 number of NO contact, and 36 to 39 are 4 number of changeover contact are there. Now in the L block, there exist 8 number of output contact, from which 2 number of changeover contact are there, that is 15 and 16. Okay, and rest are the NO contact. And in the K block, there exists another 8 number of output contact, for which 2 number of changeover contact are there, that is relay 23 and relay 24. Again, there exists another output block for G block, for which there are 7 number of output contact, for which 4 number of changeover contact are there, that is 43 to 46, and there exists 3 number of NO contact. N1 and N2 are the auxiliary DC input terminal, and 48 DC output voltage terminal are there, for which N7 N8 are the positive terminal and N9 N10 are the negative terminal. So these are the difference of the Micom P441, Micom P442, Micom P444 relay wiring diagram of the distance relay.